Hey guys, you're watching the channel Rain BMX. I don't have a lot of space in this room. I'm actually at work right now on lunch. So I figured since I have free time, I'll make a bike check for my channel, I guess. So yeah. At the top, I have Odyssey Broc Raiford grips with Odyssey par ends. And then I have some Macneil, what are they called? Tabarnak bars and 9-inch rise. With a Shadow Conspiracy Odin stem, top load, or at this point upload. Courtenay headset, S&M Widemouth Pitchforks with the 26mm offset. Fit OG pegs up front with the wizard sleeves. And then Courtenay Wasp front hub, DT Swiss spokes, and Eclat Trippin XL Rim. With a BSD Donnasqueak 2.4 tire, gray tread, black wall. Courtenay CC seat and post combo. Yeah, it's all built into one. I have a Courtenay CC Sprocket as well. 25 tooth with a KMC 710 SL chain. BSD Substance cranks. And then Odyssey Grandstand aluminum pedals. Or metal, really. Most pedals are, well, all pedals are aluminum aside from the, well, you know what I mean. All the metal ones. Anyway, BSD Donnasqueak 2.4 tire again, same one in the back, gray tread and black sidewall. A slightly modified Courtenay Wasp cassette hub, running the female bolt in it still, yeah, whatnot. But I run my driver with half the pawls, so 3 pawls but it's double sprung. I basically took out 3 pawls to use the extra springs for the other 3, and I double sprung it. So basically it has a slightly slower engagement, but it's still the same amount, and it's still good. It's just better for fakey stuff. Sounds fucking legit too. Yeah, it's real nice. Anyway, yeah, the Wasp hub, DT Swiss spokes, and then a Courtenay Pintour Rim. I have Courtenay plastic pegs, the anyways, on the back. I think that's about it. I have a Courtenay bottom bracket. Also, yeah, the frame is a Fit Ben Lewis V2. 20.5, running the chainstay closer to slammed. So, yeah, pretty short, pretty snappy. Real nice for tech. But, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.